What's up, guys? You're watching the Shawn Nicklaus channel. Today we are unboxing the brand new 2024 Hot Wheels Japanese import. This is a pretty cool set. There's two cars with metal bases, which is just awesome. This is the new halfway between premium. It's the silver. The premium gets the gold Hot Wheels emblem right there on the top, which is pretty cool too as well. And I love the artwork on all of these cars. They are like kind of like a little sketch. It's not really like a paint, it's more of like a sketch. Here is the back complete set right there. There's the barcode. If you want to have them scan it, go ahead and have them scan it. This is the 1968 Mazda Cosmo Sport, and there is also 5 cars in the set. This is a Walmart exclusive. You can only find this at Walmart. And last year we just saw the 1968 Mazda Cosmo Sport in the main line, and this was also a super as well. So we're getting some Mazda Cosmo Sports here lately, and I gotta say, I really do like the two-tone white and orange look on this Cosmo Sport. It looks very nice. And I know you're probably thinking, what the heck, we have 2 orange Mazda Cosmo Sports now, but really, it's a different shade from this Japanese import set, the one from last year, the mainline version. It's a different shade. And I think this Mazda Super from last year is underrated. It's going for very little dollar amount. You can pick these up for probably around 25, 30 bucks, which is on the lower end of a super treasure hunt. All right, let's go ahead and check out the one from this J import set, which is pretty sweet. I love the wheels on there. Looks sweet. I wish they put a metal base on all of these. That would be awesome. But let's get this thing cracked open and get a closer look at it up on the spin table. There we have it. Super clean look. Doesn't have that two-tone look like it does on that main line. It's got the same color base as it does on the body. And the base goes halfway up the car, so a little bit different. And this one's rocking a black interior. The one on the main line was rocking a gray interior. This one gets the taillights. The mainline version did not have the taillights. And this one also has the headlights as well. So you're paying a little bit more for more detail on this Japanese import Cosmo. And I do have to say, I think the mainline version looks a lot cleaner than the one from the J import set. On the headlights too, it lost some detail. With this one, it's got that little round headlight in there. This one just has like kind of like the stream of the lights coming off the headlights. So that's a little bit different. I wanted to point that out. Up next, we got the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX. Sorry, Skyline HT 2000 GTX. This one's very nice, and it does not have a metal base, unfortunately. But we've seen a lot of these Nissan Skylines. Last year, 2022, we saw this as a super treasure hunt, which was very nice, very clean. The super treasure hunt didn't look much different from the mainline version. The paint was very similar. And after this version, we also got this one, which was exclusive to a 5-pack or 9-pack. I can't remember. I think it was a 5-pack, which looks great. Love that white trim on the wheels. That purple paint job looks really good on that Skyline. And unlike the version from 2022, this one did not get taillights, but the 2022 version did get taillights. Let's go ahead and check out the new one, which just looks great. It's got headlights, it's got taillights, it's got it all. It looks really good. Let's get this thing cracked open so we can get a better look at it. Check that out. Love the wheel choice on it. Goes really good with that red paint job, and the red paint job just looks spectacular, and the details go far beyond those mainline versions. So you really get your money's worth on this one, especially with the front end. It's got the intercooler sticking out, it's got the headlights, and it's all painted in. It's very nice decos. It's got the 15 on the side with JDM. This is definitely a nice import. Go ahead and move on to the two most popular, because these are going to be the hard ones to get. There's only one Honda and there's only one Toyota in this set, so you're going to be fighting over these. These are going to be hard to get. The Toyota Starlet we've seen in premium recently, which was very nice. We've seen this part of Run and Run, which is just super clean. Love the small wheels on there. Love that body kit they put on it. They did a great job with this casting. It's got all the details. And the Starlet is just such a cool little small car. And I have to say, I'm very happy to see this 81 Toyota Starlet KP61 part of this set. And yes, this one got the metal base treatment, which is very nice. Very cool. Let's go ahead and get this one cracked open. This is going to be a hard one to get part of the set. But wow, look at that. Very, very clean look. It's got the same wheels as it did on the Skyline HT 2000 GTX in this set, but in chrome. And it says Starlet on the side of it with that stripe on there. And it's got the headlights, it's got the taillights. They really did a great job with this one. If it were to be premium, the only thing you'd be missing is those real rider wheels. All right, let's go ahead and check out the second hard car to get in this set, the 1985 Honda CRX. And I brought out some of my CRXs. Now, this one was back in 2018. This was an exclusive to a 5-pack. This one was pretty hard to get, but this one has a chrome plastic base. Doesn't have a metal base like the one that we have. And I have to say, if you zoom in and you check out that back end, the motor's in the rear. So I don't know why Hot Wheels did that, but this is actually a front motor car. It's not a mid-engine car. So I don't know why they did that, but maybe it's just a cool custom to it. Recently, we saw these part of exclusive for 20 or a 9-pack. I can't remember. We got it in red. Then we got it in blue, which looks great. And then there's another one that I didn't pick up. Same recolor of these, but in black. Same design, sorry. And I didn't get that one. So there's a different couple of recolors of the Honda CRXs. And now we have this beautiful one with a metal base. Check that out. Very cool. Nice details on this one. Let's get it cracked open so we get a better look at it. I'm curious to see if the motor got some details. Let's go ahead and zoom in on it. Doesn't look like the motor got too much of details in there. It's got the yellow painted in on the back there. Not sure exactly what that is, but the motor is just all black. But I have to say this Honda CRX is super clean. Very cool wheels. I think those are brand new wheels to this casting. And it's got the Moto L on the side of it, on the front of it. Got nice authentic details all over it. It's got the CRX on the back with the headlights, the taillights. Everything is there. All right, let's go ahead and park this to the side. Let's go ahead and check out the last car in this mix. We got the Acura NSX. Pretty sweet car. I do love the Acura NSXs. I do collect the NSXs. This is a very exciting car to have part of this case. This is the Acura NSX, not the Honda NSX. But check out those racing details. These have the same wheels as we just saw on that Honda CRX. And it's got that full race look to it. It's got that big back wing. It's got side skirt. It's got the diffuser in the rear. It has a plastic blue base. It's got a lightly smoked window tint with both passenger and driver's side down with a black interior. All right, let's go ahead and park up this Acura NSX right here. And let's get a better look at it so we can look at it, guys. There is all the cars part of this set mixed in with the cars that I wanted to showcase. So I want to know if you guys picked up the set. What's your favorite casting in here? I know the CRX and the Starlet are going to be hard to get, but they are pretty much premium cars other than the Real Rider wheels. All right, guys, pick a favorite and let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.